In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your FASTA sequence from NCBI website. The first thing that you're going to do is to type NCBI in your browser. After that, you are going to click the first link, which is for the National Center for Biotechnology Information. This will land you to their official website of the NCBI. Now, to look for your sequence, you have to first select the appropriate settings. Here, if your sequence is a gene, you will select gene over here. If it's a sequence of an entire organism, you will select genome. If it's a sequence of a DNA or RNA, you will select nucleotide over here. Or if it's the sequence of a protein, you will select protein over here. Since the sequence I'm looking for is that of a gene, I will select gene over here. And then the next step is to type the name of that gene or organism. The gene I'm looking for is ADCR, that is present in Streptococcus pneumonia. Now select search. Now I will browse through all of these organisms and look for ADCR gene in the Streptococcus pneumonia. Here it is. Now I will enter this, and this will land me to the page where ADCR gene information is present. I will browse through all of these information and we will reach all the way to the NCBI reference sequences. Here you can see that we have two headings, one for genomic and the second one is for mRNA and proteins. Since I'm looking for the sequence of the gene itself, I will go to genomics over here and select FASTA. There are other formats too like GenBank and the sequence viewer, which is a graphical viewer, but I want the FASTA information, so I will select FASTA. Now they have given me the FASTA sequence for the ADCR gene. There are two things I can do with this now. I can select the sequence starting from this sign over here all the way till the end. Make sure you're not copying an extra space and you're just copying the sequence itself like this, okay? The second thing I can do is I can select send to over here and make a text file. They have already selected file over here, and then they are asking for the format is FASTA already selected, and then I will just click create file. This will download a FASTA sequence file of this text over here. I will click on that, opening this file, this sequence file or a text file in Notepad, and you can see that we have gotten the sequence of this gene all the way till the end. Okay, so this is the way you can get your FASTA sequence of your gene or genome from the NCBI website. This is Biopathway. If you like this video, subscribe to us, watch one of our other videos, or maybe comment us if you are facing any difficulty. Bye!